Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to automatically save photos from Instagram to OneDrive. So basically we are going to begin with a small example. So this is my Instagram account and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to upload a image. Now when the image is uploaded, the image will be straight away stored into my OneDrive account. So basically this is how you upload an image in Instagram. So I'm just going to click on CTRL Shift and I. Okay, so basically this is a new method to upload Instagram images directly from your desktop. So all you have to do is just click on this sign, okay, and just refresh it. Okay, once again click on this sign and refresh it. Okay, so this is how you upload the image. Now you have got the mobile version here. You click on this plus sign and I'm going to upload an image. Let's say this is the image, birthday. Let me just click on open. Click on next and let me just add a caption, birthday. Okay, and let me just click on share. Okay, so the image is getting uploaded. Okay, so as you can see, the image has been uploaded. It is showing your photo has been posted. So let me just remove this, and this is the image, happy birthday to you. And this is my Instagram post. So the idea is that the same image will be automatically saved in my OneDrive account. So let me just straight away take you to my OneDrive account, and the image will be stored in this particular folder because I have actually mentioned in the workflow that the image should be stored in this particular folder. So as you can see, the image hasn't arrived. Okay, yes, after a delay of 2 or 3 minutes, the image has arrived. So this is the image, happy birthday to you. So your obvious question is, how did I do it? How did I manage to automatically send the image from Instagram to OneDrive? So here I have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that has integrated Instagram and OneDrive. Now the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. Let me show you the process. Now before we integrate Instagram and OneDrive, there is something I have to tell you. Instagram sometimes may take 2 or 3 minutes to send the data. So basically you may have to wait 2 or 3 minutes to get the data into your OneDrive account. So this problem is actually from Instagram's end. You don't have to worry. You don't have to panic. Just wait for 2 or 3 minutes. That's all. Okay, so in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com. Pabbly.com it is. So why pabbly.com? Well, again, I'm going to explain you that we are going to use Pabbly Connect to integrate Instagram and OneDrive. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Let me just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access Now. Okay, so basically we are going to create a new workflow to integrate Instagram and OneDrive. Now, before I create a new workflow, there is something I have to do. So as you can see, there is already a workflow running that has integrated Instagram and OneDrive. I'm going to switch off this workflow. The reason I'm switching off this workflow is if I create a new workflow and this old workflow running in parallel to it will give the problem of duplication of result. For example, if an image is inserted in Instagram, 2 images will be inserted in OneDrive. We don't want 2 images in OneDrive. Okay, so that is why I have switched off this workflow. Now, you don't have to worry about anything because we are going to start from scratch by clicking on Create Workflow. Now, I am going to give a name. How about Instagram to OneDrive? Instagram to OneDrive. Image. And let me just click on create. Of course, you can give any name according to your discretion. It's totally up to you. So when you click on create, a window appears. This window is called as the trigger window. So basically we are going to create a new workflow to integrate Instagram and OneDrive. Now, if you want to clone this workflow, the link of the template is available in the description box. Now in the choose app, how about we make it as Instagram? Instagram it is. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new media posted in my account? New media posted in my account is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if this condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new image is uploaded in my Instagram account, then what action should be taken by the system? At present, we only have one trigger event, that is new media posted in my account. Now in case if you want more trigger events, all you have to do is just approach the help section. So when you click on the help section, you will be straight away directed to Pabbly forums. You can make a request here that you want so and so trigger events. Okay, so let me just take you back to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on connect. In the new connection name, let me just click on connect with Instagram. Okay, so it is asking me, do we want access? Let me just press allow. Authorization is complete. Okay, just press OK. So when we click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently uploaded image. Now the recently uploaded image is of happy birthday to you. This is the image, okay, that we have recently uploaded. So my plan is I'm going to upload one more image. Okay, so let me just click on this plus button. Okay, so actually we are working with the mobile version. We actually have opened the mobile version on my desktop. If you don't know how to open it, all you have to do is just press Ctrl Shift and I, and I have shown you the procedure earlier. You just have to follow that, or you can straight away upload it from your mobile. It also works fine. So what next? So basically we are going to upload one more image. So I have prepared one image. Okay, so this is the one, yoga. So let me just open this. So this is the image. Okay, so this is the image of a yoga girl. So let me just click on next, and this is the caption, yoga. Okay, and let me just click on share. Okay, so the image is getting uploaded and is going to be shared on Instagram. Okay, so the image is here. Excellent, a perfect image. So what I'm going to do here is when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of the recently uploaded image on Instagram. Now the recently uploaded image is of yoga, this particular image. So let's have a look. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, it is showing the caption as yoga, and there is this media URL. Okay, so this is the media URL. I'm just going to copy this and open this in a new tab. So basically this is the link that we are going to share on our OneDrive account. Okay, so this is the link. So what's next? So basically we are going to share these details to our OneDrive account, and this is how you do it. You introduce one more window. So this window is called as the action window. Now in the choose app, how about we make it as OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive. In the action event, how about we make it as upload a file. Then click on connect. In the new connection name, let me just click on connect with Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, so it can't be reached because we haven't logged in. So let me just refresh this and once again try to log in. Okay, so it is trying to authorize. So let me just click on yes. Okay, so it is waiting for the account to authorize. Yes, authorization successful. Just press OK. So by default, we have some fields, the folder list, the file name, and the file URL. So let's deal with that individually. So what's the deal with the folder list? So basically, these are all the folders that is present in my OneDrive account. So my idea is that I'm going to create a new folder. Okay, so let me just create a new folder, and the name of the folder is Instagram images. Okay, so I have created a folder for Instagram. So let me just click on create. Okay, so a new folder called as Instagram images has been created. Now since Pabbly Connect is integrated with OneDrive, when I click on refresh, I can expect to find this newly created folder in the dropdown. So it is getting refreshed, it has been refreshed. So yeah, we do have the folder Instagram images. So the idea is that we will be saving the images from Instagram in this particular folder called as Instagram images. Okay, so let's deal with the name. So basically this is your name, and the name was something called as yoga, and we have mapped it. So after yoga, since this is an JPG image, I'm just going to type JPG. Okay, easy. Okay, now coming to the file URL. So this is your file URL. You basically map this. All you have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the response is giving that the image has been sent. So let's have a look. Let me just take you to OneDrive, and this is the folder Instagram images. Okay, so yeah, we do have the image. Yes, actually you can see this is the image that we had uploaded in Instagram, and now the same image is here in OneDrive. So before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. Okay, so let me just minimize the action window and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Instagram to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to OneDrive. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Instagram and OneDrive. Excellent.